How to fix social button not showing in TikTok. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To get the social button on your TikTok, you need to click on the edit profile and here you need to tap on link. Now, if you're looking to connect or associate your Instagram or your YouTube channel with your TikTok, you will have to follow the step. If you wish to enter your Instagram along with your TikTok, you'll be redirected to this new page where you need to manually log in into your Instagram application. Once you do so, you will get the social button. Now, if you have followed this step, but since you have not got the social button, you can follow this next step. Tap open your phone settings where you can navigate to the option of apps and tap on it. From here, check out the All Apps option. In the All Apps option, you can scroll down until you see the option of Instagram or just in the search bar, search for Instagram. Here, tap on Force Stop and OK. Then head to Storage and Cache and tap on the Clear Cache button. Once you do so, you can head back from here. Next step is to check out your Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search icon to search for Instagram. Then make sure that you have updated your Instagram application. Once you do so, now search for your TikTok app. Then again, make sure that your TikTok app is up to date as well. Now again, make sure that you are not a new user to your TikTok. If you are a new user, this might be the reason why you are not getting the feature on your TikTok account. So these can help you to fix the social button not showing up in your TikTok. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.